Alright, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. This is the Ernest P YouTube channel, and today we're doing another segment of How Far Will It Drag? Today we've got the candle. We're going to tie this up behind our new vehicle, which we'll introduce in just a second, and we'll see how far this can drag before it breaks. Come along.
Daddy.
Alright.
Mac
So
wants to get on.
Dragon wagon. That's what I'm going to call it.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's probably the name I've come up with, the Dragon Wagon. It was either that or the Dragon Mobile, so maybe I'll take the Dragon head on it or something. So this is the new vehicle we picked up. Got it for free actually and fixed it so it's running. And we'll be using this for a while. You know, we'll use other things as well still, but we'll be using this to drag stuff. Yeah, you tell them. Well still, but we'll be using this to drag stuff. Yeah, we got our little mascot here today. He's a bear. Dragon bear. And we'll tie this candle up real quick. Again, it's one of those things I gotta figure out how to tie stuff up in a different way, or it's just one of those things that's gonna be hard to tie without coming off. But we'll see how it does. We'll get it started here, put the GoPro on the back, see if that doesn't come flying out. I mean, it's made out of wax, so maybe it's kind of grippy. But we'll put it on the back here and take off. All right, here we go. Hopefully that's a good angle. I don't know how long this is gonna last. If I had to make a prediction, I'd say 4 or 5 laps. We'll be on the road here that's 450 feet long. We count a lap as going down enough, so 900 feet a lap. And yeah, we'll get started. Okay, we almost made it a whole lap, and it came loose. I guess we lost that string at some point, I didn't notice. But it's pretty beat up, you can see here on the corners. I got some chunks taken out of it, but again, it's pretty hard. It's cold out here, just above freezing I'd say, so I'll be interested to see how long this lasts. Again, my guess is 4 or 5 laps, but that's one, and it's just got a few chunks taken out of it, so I could be wrong again. There we go, same exact place as last time. That's 1.5 laps. I'll put the distance here. 1.5 laps, came loose again. So we'll see what we can do to get this tied on a little bit better here. We'll take a break and come back, and we'll show you what we came up with. You wanna come tell them what we did? Come on, Mr. Bear. Okay, so reminiscent of my childhood days cutting PVC pipes in half with a string. I just took the rope and ran it across here to cut a groove into it. Just, you know, wiggling the rope back and forth so it got hot. We'll tie that rope through that groove now, and I'm sure that's gonna hold on better, so we'll see how it does. Good job. Here it is. Start it again. Okay, that's 5 laps. Oh man, we're about to break this string again. So 5 laps, not really doing anything so far. But yeah, I'm gonna go help out a neighbor real quick whose car isn't working, and we'll be right back. So I'll put this on and we'll be back. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually probably take this rope off because it's starting to shred. And I think I've got a big bolt. I'm just gonna run down the center of here, and I'll just tie that bolt off to this string. That way it's not dragging across this string. So far we're 5 laps in, pretty beaten up, but nothing too significant yet. So, yep. So I just ran that bolt through this candle here. I heated it up a little so it got a little melty, and kind of got it down in the middle. So I'll tie it off, and hopefully this one holds on.
So this is 7 laps. Really not much has happened, so kind of surprised. I was thinking I was just gonna kind of shave off. All right.
Okay, 8 laps. Yeah. I mean, you can see around the edges the damage, but keep going. Hard as a rock. All right. Okay, there's 10 laps. Yeah, just it's about the same. So keep on dragging on as long as it takes. Oh, well, I can see a crack on the top now, so maybe it's starting to crack through. Hopefully it won't last that much longer because it's cold and sometimes it's boring to just drive around for an hour and a half out here. But we'll see. Let's keep going. There's 20 laps. And 20 laps. Keep going. Alright, 26.5 laps, and it's broken all the way through. It's just being held on by that wick, so I'm gonna call it there. 26.5 laps. I'll put the distance on the screen. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing that because we're trying to grow the channel. If you have anything you want to see drug, anything in particular, leave it in the comments down below. We've got a few viewer recommendations. We've done one, and we'll do another, that one that we're sitting on here, and we've got a cool plan for that. So again, if you have anything to say, please leave it in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for the support, everybody, and we'll see you next time on How Far Will It Drag. It's been 26.5 laps, and this has been the Candle. Thanks. As always, have a good day. Peace out.